the original Tesla Roadster 2010. You guys have seen this in a few of our videos, and I've told you that it's small and it's tiny. I'm 6'2", I fit inside of it, but it is a tiny car. Today we're gonna do a bit of an experiment. We're gonna see, can an NFL offensive lineman fit inside of this car? The car right now maybe doesn't look as small on camera, but this is what an NFL offensive lineman drives. A Ford Raptor. So if you remember a while back, we did what's inside University of Oregon football facilities, and we had our friend Tyrell Crosby for the University of Oregon. Well, he graduated college and he went to the NFL and started this year on the offensive line for the Detroit Lions. So, Tyrell Crosby, right here. All right, first thoughts on seeing this little tiny car.
I think I can squeeze in.
What are your measurements?
6'5", 315.
6'5", 315. That's bigger than me. So we'll see this, and then we're gonna check with some other YouTubers and see if they can fit in here. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go in first. How about that?
I'm trying to figure out the best angle of approach.
Feet first inside.
Sturdy.
Oh boy.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Dude, look at your legs. And then look at this, there's no separation in between the two seats. So our shoulders just touch. Hey, the door's shut. Yeah, there we go. Wait.
I'm stuck.
My arm's stuck. Can you get the gas pedal? Or the pedal? Yeah, you can feel it. Okay. This does have a key. I'll put it in for you around your knee. Okay, this is crazy. So, we barely fit in here. I'm not even gonna try to put my seatbelt on. We're gonna actually try to drive this thing. All right, so this is where you put it in drive, right there around your knee. It doesn't have power steering either, so you got to get moving before you turn the wheel. All right, got it.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, it still moves. I thought that our heads would be sticking out of it. You're pretty close.
Like,
oh, you are out of it, kind of.
I'm like ducking so I can actually see. This.
Look at it. We're squished into this little car. You survived.
We joke about getting in, now it's time to get out.
Getting out's the actual hard part. All right, this is Tyrell's brother, and he is 6'8". You're tall. Played professional basketball in Europe, right?
France.
In France?
Yep.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh boy. Yeah, I think we're right here. Real intimate.
You guys have never been closer.
Oh, this is how mom would put us in timeout. Oh jeez. Let me do
it looks like you're driving a go-kart. Oh, we can almost touch the ground. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go! That's so fast.
You didn't look too far behind though.
I wasn't too bad.
I was impressed actually. I knew I would win, but I looked in my rearview mirror and you weren't that far behind.
I was a lot better than I thought.
Oh, this car is so much fun. I love this car, even though it's not as fast as our other ones. It is so much more fun due to it being a convertible and being so low to the ground. I barely fit in it, so does Tyrell, but it's still a dang fun car.
3, 2, 1, go!
So yes, the Roadster can beat another Tesla. That makes me really happy. Not because the Model 3 is a bad car, but because this is a fun car. I want it to be faster than something. So there you go. I am faster than some of the Model X's and S's and Model 3s. It just can't be the performance model. So that race that we did the other day was not indicative of what this car is actually capable of. All right, Mr. Jerry Rig Everything,
Yeah,
first time in the Roadster.
We've been talking about this for a lot, so I'm pretty excited to finally get a seat in it.
About time.
Oh, dude, this is weird. It's like freaking Tetris trying to get down inside of it. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, and then you're sitting on the ground.
You could like reach your hand out and touch the asphalt.
Right here, dude. That's crazy.
Just gun it.
Where's the seatbelts at?
Oh, come on. Where we're going? Not just
Safety
kidding.
first, usually. It's cool seeing like both humps of like the wheel wells in the front. Like that's legit.
That was probably the fastest that car's ever gone.
He was like gearing up, like his smile was just getting bigger and bigger, and then as soon as he's passing by, he's not even looking at the road. He's like,
Is that all you got?
I need one of these.
That might have been the fastest this car has gone. I don't
Really?
know. I don't know what you were doing, but
I don't know how fast I was
it looked
going.
fast.
Really?
It looked like it was over 100.
No, there's no way from there to here.
Maybe it's just because this thing's so small, but it looks so fast.
I mean, if we want to hit 100, I'm not close to
Okay, Ben's never tried it. Why don't you guys go on a ride?
it. But you still have to like freaking wiggle your legs up in there.
yeah, it is easier if you put your legs in first, for sure.
All right, what do you think, Ben?
Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah.
It's like no other Tesla you've ever ridden in, right?
No, the funniest thing, we go to back up and I'm like, where's the camera? I can't see it. What's going on?
Yes, the Tesla Roadster won both drag races, but Tyrell and Zach wanted to make it a point that there's one thing that the Tesla Roadster cannot beat the truck at: off-roading. Tyrell, thoughts on the 2010 Tesla Roadster?
It's fun, it's small, but it's fast, which I like, and if I could fit, I'd get one.
That is a new water bottle flip challenge. Jump your truck, the water bottle flips up and goes down and lands. Did you see that? I hope we got that on camera. I hope you enjoyed this random video of us showing you cool Tesla and Ford Raptor stuff. Check out Tyrell Crosby next year in the NFL. He's awesome. Follow him on Twitter. Check him out. We follow him, so if you need to find him, just look who we follow. He's one of them we followed for like 2 years now. And then Zach, thanks for your help today.
No problem.
You like the Tesla?
It's great.
You needed Santa to buy you one?
Santa will buy me one.
Teslanomics, Ben, thank you. You're awesome. Thanks for letting me beat you. I know you let off the gas pedal. Thank you. That was kind.
It's, I try to help you there.
I didn't even ask you about the race. Tell me about the race.
There's something about the Model 3 that I have. It has a little hesitation, so maybe we have to do an upgrade or something.
Right at the beginning. I
Yeah,
feel like
like
a software update would fix that.
It could, yeah. It has a takeoff, but then it stalls for a second, and I think that makes all the difference between, you know, yours and mine right there.
Hunter, good job on getting the shots.
Yeah, you know, that's what I'm here for.
You guys are awesome. High fives. Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course, man. Thanks for having us.
You're so tall right now. Jeez.
It's actually really difficult. One leg. I have to put your butt on the ground, dude. Need a hand?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
One.